New UK immigration and 2026 changes. Rent, work, pay, driving, and family rights. If you live in the UK, raise children here, rent a home, work a job, or drive on British roads, 2026 will change your daily life. Some of these laws protect you. Others change how much you pay, how secure your home is, and what rights you have at work. In this video, I'll break down exactly what families, renters, and workers need to know about new UK laws coming in 2026, simply, clearly, and without legal jargon. Stay with me, because some of these changes could save you money, protect your job, and give your family more stability at a time when living costs are still high. Why 2026 matters. 2026 is shaping up to be one of the biggest legal change years in recent UK history. The government plans to roll out new laws affecting everyday life, often in ways people don't realize until it's too late. These changes touch on renting and housing security, employment rights and pay, family and parental leave, driving and travel rules, recycling and household responsibilities. If you've seen confusing headlines online or short clips on social media that don't explain the full picture, you're not alone. So let's slow everything down and explain what actually affects you and your family in real life. What renters need to know in 2026. One of the biggest changes in everyday life is happening in private renting, and it will affect millions of households across England. From 1st May 2026, new rental rules will begin transforming how renting works. End of no-fault evictions. Landlords will no longer be able to evict tenants without a valid legal reason. This is a major shift from the current system and means more stability for families, fewer unexpected moves, and less fear of losing your home overnight. For parents, this also means fewer school disruptions for children and better long-term planning for childcare, work, and finances. Rent increase is limited. Landlords will only be allowed to increase rent once per year. This gives tenants more predictability and helps families plan budgets without worrying about sudden rent hikes. Discrimination ban. It will become illegal for landlords or agents to refuse you because you have children, you receive benefits. This is designed to open up more housing options and reduce unfair treatment in the rental market. Deposit protection. Landlords will be banned from demanding more than 1 month's rent up front, which removes a major financial barrier for families trying to move or escape unsuitable housing. While these changes won't all happen instantly, knowing they're coming allows renters to negotiate, plan moves, and make better housing decisions ahead of time. Housing is only one part of everyday life. Now let's move to something just as important: your job, your income, and your time with your family. Employment and family-friendly work rights. From April 2026, major changes to UK employment law will take effect, improving protections for millions of workers. Sick pay from day one. Statutory sick pay will be paid from the first day of illness, not the fourth. Crucially, all workers will qualify, regardless of how much they earn. This change recognizes that people shouldn't be forced to work while sick just to pay the bills, especially parents caring for children. Parental rights from day one. Paternity leave. Unpaid parental leave. These become day one rights, meaning new employees won't miss out on bonding time with their babies simply because they recently changed jobs. This is a major win for working parents and modern families. Stronger protection at work. New rules will strengthen protection against sexual harassment under whistleblowing laws, require employers to give reasonable notice of shifts, push employers to offer guaranteed hours where work patterns show they're needed. These changes aim to reduce unpredictable schedules and improve work-life balance. Minimum wage increase. From April 2026, the national living wage for those aged 21 and older will rise. Younger workers' minimum wage rates will also increase. While this won't solve every financial pressure, it does offer a meaningful boost to household income, especially for lower-paid workers. If this breakdown is helping you understand what's really coming in 2026, subscribe now. This channel explains UK law changes, family rights, renting rules, and work protections clearly without confusing legal language. Next, let's talk about driving and travel, because changes on the road and at borders will also affect families in 2026. Driving and travel changes in 2026. Company cars and tax. Benefit in kind tax rates will change in 2026. Electric vehicles will see a slight increase in BIK rates. The expensive car supplement threshold will rise. This combination is designed to keep electric vehicles attractive, particularly for families and company car users considering cleaner transport options. New travel rules for Europe. By late 2026, most non-visa visitors traveling to Europe will need a short online travel authorization. This applies to holidays, work trips, and family visits. It's not a visa, but it will be mandatory, so forgetting it could disrupt travel plans. Now, let's return to the home, because even household routines are changing. Recycling and home life updates. From March 2026, recycling rules across England will change. 4 separate waste streams. Councils will be required to collect food waste, recycling, paper and card, general waste. Yes, this may mean more bins and new habits, but the goal is to make recycling clearer, more consistent, and more effective nationwide. This forms part of the government's wider net zero and environmental protection strategy. Beyond daily routines, there are also behind-the-scenes legal changes that will affect how public services work. Other important UK law changes. New data rules. New data regulations aim to reduce everyday paperwork, improve traffic systems, and speed up public services like the NHS. This could mean quicker diagnoses, smoother services, and less administrative burden for families. 0 hours and shift protection. Additional employment reforms are planned to prevent unfair last-minute shift changes and better protect 0 hours workers. Government departments will continue releasing guidance throughout 2025 and 2026 to help individuals and businesses prepare. What this means for your family. Change can feel unsettling, especially when it affects housing, work, money, and daily routines. But most of these new UK laws are designed to improve housing security, strengthen workers' rights, support parents and families, and make systems fairer and clearer. The key is understanding what's coming before it happens. When you know the basics, you can plan better, protect your rights, and make confident decisions for your family. For clear, simple updates on UK laws, family rights, renting, work, and everyday life, make sure you're subscribed. 2026 is bringing big changes. Staying informed means staying protected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.